And then the last one that actually has the suppressor on it is my Ruger Ranch 5.56. So I wanted to show a real quick view of the Ruger Ranch in 5.56 and how I have this set up. I've got it set up with a muzzle device that is actually a quick detach for this suppressor. So I've never shot this with the suppressor on there, but I want to see how it turns out. Of course, every car in the world has to come by when I'm trying to record this. So in just a minute I'll show the rifle with the suppressor attached. So here's what we've got with the suppressor on the end of the barrel. Again, Ruger American Ranch 5.56 with a suppressor, and we're going to see how it does, see how it changes on point of impact, if any. And what we're going to do, rather than shooting the 68 grain, we're going to shoot some 5.56 55 grain.
Where is it going to be?
I'm going to aim at the lower right edge of the orange circle.
Okay.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
That's one. And this will be two. Alright. So it's at 25 yards, it's right at an inch low.
That's right.
You ready?
Yep.
Alright, we're shooting Ruger Ranch 5.56. Right now we're using a Salt Point 55 grain 5.56, and I've got the suppressor on here, so we want to see if the point of impact changes. Seems to work just fine.